It's hit. Thanks, mate.
So, you're on the toss. What you gonna do?
Easy choice. We're gonna wash the dishes.
Oh, why?
I'm looking at the conditions. It's screaming out for me to wash. I mean, there's 3 pots. There's about 4 plates, a couple of Tupperware, and just the utensils. I mean, the easy thing is because obviously we wash the lunchtime dishes just before, so we cleared up most of the room. So it just makes it easy to wash. And obviously, when you're drying the dishes, you got to pack away as well. I mean, that's unnecessary admin. I don't want to go down that route. I'll just go the easy way out and wash.
Any team changes?
A couple of changes to the team. We've got a new pot scraper, a new sponge coming in today. I think it's just for rotation and for fresh legs. I think the last couple of washes, as you know, have not been up to standards. And that's just down to just time on the legs. I think it was about time we got a new pot scraper and a new sponge in. And excited for them. So it's always exciting getting your first cap. So yeah, I think it'll go well. And obviously, I've changed playlists. I think I've had the same playlist the last couple of washes and. I'm feeling a bit stagnant. I think if you're feeling stagnant, it's time for changes. So I'm going to go with the shuffle approach. Just put on shuffle and then let's see where the music takes me. I think, that's the approach for today. Obviously, we're excited. Just looking to bounce back from the last couple. Christmas, obviously, the dishes we watched at Christmas wasn't great. So, hoping to bounce back today.